Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the SJCAM SJ8 PRO into the waterproof cover. To do it, there's the waterproof cover. I have it right here, and I have two different back doors. The one that is currently installed doesn't support touch at all, and it makes sense because underwater and in heavy rain, whatever, you still won't be able to use touch capacities. But if you just want to apply the cover but still use touch, then you can use these door, and these door will only work like the touch on them will only work if you're not underwater or in rainy conditions, but feel free to choose whichever one you'd like to apply. First, I'll open the cover and I'll show you how to switch the doors so you know how to do it. So to open the cover, there's this slider. You need to slide it, then move this part up. At first I thought I need to move this part up, but no, this side has to go up. So let's try to do it. Now it is unlatched and I can simply open these back door. Okay, it's open now. I'm gonna remove them and replace them with the battery, with the waterproof case touch back door. So to do it, you'll see on this here there's a hole, and you can simply remove the thing. So do it carefully, but you need to apply some pressure for it. And I'm gonna do it another way. Okay, yeah, you can see it's removed. Then I'm gonna replace it with these ones. Once it's applied, try moving it a little bit to see if it falls out. Always falls out in my case. It requires a lot of force for it, and it's best to not do it like straight on like that, but rather sort of at an angle diagonally, so you don't apply too much for pressure at once. Then once it's all on, you may hear a little click. That's a great signal. And then it should very smoothly rotate. Now let's put the camera in. I'll put it in like that so the lens is in the correct spot. Put it all the way in. Then feel free to close the door. To close the door, simply take this latch. You can again slide this slider, move them up, then attach them to the top of the back door like that. You can see it is now attached, and close it. You can see it's all well closed now. I can turn the camera on. I don't know if it's discharged. See, the buttons also work like here and there, and I should have the touch capacities. Yeah, sort of. It's not the easiest thing to do, but I can for sure do something. But the battery is discharged, and I would need to take this thing out. It's gonna be a bit easier with it, but you need to like click it in actually. And now to open it, it's basically the same. Just take this slider, open the front part like that, and it's unlatched. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.